Disneyland Resort today, and I am eating at the Plaza Inn at Breakfast with Minnie and Friends. It's a great way to get into the park a little early if you have that early of a reservation. But yeah, it's a good place. I'm gonna go take a look at the food and see some characters. But I'm gonna take all of this stuff with me because I don't want anyone to steal my camera equipment while I'm gone. My party was originally for 3, but 2 of the people decided they didn't want to come. So it's just me this morning. But yeah, so it's actually a good buffet. Lots of items to choose from that look pretty darn good. I know the omelets here are fantastic. I'm probably gonna get one of those first. But here, I need to find a tray. Got a tray, awesome. Oh, they have an omelet with ham and bacon and cheese and bell peppers.
I can turn that number 2 one down.
We're cutting tomatoes.
Sorry, ham, bell peppers, cheese, and what else?
I said ham, bacon, cheese, and bell peppers. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right. Well, I'm not gonna get some coffee. I'll take the 70th anniversary blend. How bad could it be? I mean, it's still bad because it's coffee, but you know, whatever. All right, they also have milks over here and stuff too. Cool, I forgot about it. I have never seen Daisy at Minnie and Friends breakfast, ever. And I always used to joke that Minnie's breakfast was so great she couldn't even get her boyfriend or her best friend to come. But best friend was here today. That's awesome. That's awesome. And speaking of awesome, check out this omelet. Freshly made, to order. I thought he put tomatoes in it, but those were red bell peppers. I'm gonna take a bite. Oh, it's Tigger. Now Tigger I have seen here before. I don't remember seeing Pooh here before. I've definitely never seen Daisy here before. I've not I usually see Rafiki, the White Rabbit, Captain Hook, Chip and Dale, Pluto, and Max, Goofy's son. Yes, do. Good gentleman. All right. Thanks. I do want to comment that it must be an awesome job to just, you know, walk around and fuck with people while they're eating. It's a good job. It's a good job. Hey, it's Dale. It's garbage. I should have got a locker before I came in. That's what I should have done. That's what I should have done. Look at all that stuff. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think, buddy? How you doing? You like this stuff? Gonna keep it safe for me, huh? That's good. Good. Thank you. Yep. Yeah. That good. Yep. Bye. I don't need to load up. I like the fruits. I might load up on fruits too. I need this. Yeah. Hello. I get scrambled eggs. And bacon. Cool. Oh yeah, that's good too. Sure. Yeah. This. Okay, grab. Oh, you got chicken. Is that, that's boneless, right?
Yes.
Awesome, yeah, I'll take one of those. And the sausage. No sauce. No gravy is fine. And thank you very much. I do like the fruits. I am a little encumbered today by the camera equipment, but I was also super late for my appointment here this morning. I didn't even know if I was going to be able to get in, but they let me in anyway, which was really nice of them. I'll take that. Cool. Take a spoon and a fork. And what I'm going to get to drink is not these sodas. I am going to get apple juice. They got orange and apple juice. I will take apple juice. Very, very refreshing. Awesome. Cool, dude. Very cool, very cool. Let me get back to my table 16. Right, it looks good. I'm gonna eat some of this stuff. All in all, Minnie Friends is, it's a lot of fun. It can be a lot of fun. Even for an adult all by himself like me today. And the 70th anniversary coffee blend is pretty darn good. But that omelet, again, star of the show. Every time I come, the omelets are just fantastic. Also, the scrambled eggs today, super duper good. I don't know what the heck they did to them. Like I said, I wish I could make them like that at home.